Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. So we will study 13th chapter Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Aparnama, please switch on your video if possible. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. You also chant after me. Atha Trayodashodhyayah. Rakshama, 13th chapter we are starting. Atha Trayodashodhyayah. Again. Atha Trayodashodhyayah. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Idam Shariram Kaunteya. Idam or Idam Shariram Kaunteya. Idam Shariram Kaunteya. Kshetramityabhidhiyate. 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 Bhidhi. That should be stressed. Okay? Ghosha Varna. Idam Shariram Kaunteya. Kshetramityabhidhiyate. Etadyo vettitam prahuhu. Etadyo vettitam prahuhu. After prahu there is visarga. Visarga's pronunciation is like ha, and that ha, how it will be pronounced, as it is preceded by the vowel. Here the preceding vowel is u, that is why it will be hu. Prahu hu. Etadyo vettitam prahuhu. Kshetrajna iti tadvidaha. Kshetrajna iti tadvidaha. Idam shariram kaunteya. Kshetramityabhidhiyate. Etadyo vettitam prahuhu. Kshetrajna iti tadvidaha. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? No doubt. Thank you. May I proceed for second? Kshetrajnam. See, a lot of places, if you listen, they are chanting who are more authentic. They chant Kshetrajnam, Kshetrajnyam. So they clearly pronounce the two letters, Ja and Ya. So you have to, and we are very much accustomed with that pronunciation, like Kshetrajna, Sarvagna, Vigna, Agna. So we will chant we will take the middle path. Kshetrajnam, Kshetrajnam, Chapi Mao Vidhi. So Ja and Ya we will chant, but Ja will be little silent, like Kshetrajna, Kshetrajnam Chapi Mam Vidhi. Sarvakshetreshu Bharata. Sarvakshetreshu क्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम क्लियर क्षेत्रज्ञै चापि मां विद्धि सर ओ क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम क्लियर anyone has any doubt
second line please Swamiji.
Where is your problem? Unmute yourself first.
क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञोर ज्ञानम
ज्ञो नहीं Gna is absolutely full word, full letter. Kshetra kshetragnayor jnanam.
क्षेत्रज्ञोर ज्ञानम
No, Baba. Kshetragnayo.
क्षेत्रज्ञयोर
ठीक है
ज्ञानम यत्तज
then
ज्ञानम मतं मम.
Absolutely right.
Thank you.
So we will.
स्वामी जी फिर से बोलिए इसमें न तो नहीं है क्षेत्रज्ञ न कहाँ है इसमें
क्षेत्रज्ञयोर
न क्यों आएगा स्वामी जी इसमें न तो नहीं है मेरे इसमें तो
ये न्या मीन्स ये जो क्षेत्रज्ञ ये क्षेत्रज्ञ कैसे आ रहा है क्षेत्रज्ञ उच्चारण में तो नकारांत ऑल आर नजल नासिका वर्ण अम्मा आप सर्वज्ञ कैसे बोलते हैं अब बोलिए
सर्वज्ञ
तो ये न कैसे आ रहा है कहां से न कहां पर है उधर हम लोग बोलते हैं ना ऑल नोइंग उसका संस्कृत या हिंदी क्या है
हाँ सर्वज्ञ हम लोग तो सर्वज्ञ बोलते हैं ना
नहीं भूल बोलते हैं हम लोग भी बोलते हैं बांग्ला हम लोग गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं
ठीक है
लेकिन वो जो है हाफ ज आधा ज और पूरा इया तो इया एंड न सी द बोथ आर nasal letter so it sounds like same clear so actual pronunciation is sarvajna kshetrajna clear so ja and ya हम लोग क्या करते हैं गौ कर देते हैं जॉ भी नहीं बोलते या भी नहीं बोलते हिंदी वाला भी ऐसा करते हैं बांग्ला वाला भी ऐसे करते मतलब बंगाली वाला बट दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग फॉर द संस्कृत प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् यत्तज् ज्ञानं मतं मम. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Okay. Okay, Vijay Amma, unmute yourself.
In my book, the 13th chapter opens with Arjuna Vacha, Prakriti Purusham Chaiva,
Yes, yes. Which book? Chinmay Mission book you are having?
No, it's Upadhyay Press.
Yes, that is why, in some author or some scholar, they tell that in Bhagavad Gita there are 700 sloka, and some acharya says no, 701 sloka. So that you have to manage. We are following mainly Gita Press book.
Okay, got
Okay.
it.
The authentic book on Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
Clear? Mute.
That's thinking how it's possible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Mute. Clear? So second sloka, clear? We are proceeding for third sloka. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha. Yad vikari yatascha yata. Yad vikari yatascha yata. Together, first line. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha. Yad vikari yatascha yata. Again. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha. Yad vikari yatascha yata. So you have noticed that I am chanting tat kshetrai yaccha, because anuswara after that ya is there, so anuswara is taking as if yang. Okay. Tat kshetrai yaccha yadrikcha. Yad vikari yatascha yata. It's very important sloka, huh? Please mark it as important.
स्वामी
Who?
स्वामी जी
हाँ, सरला अम्मा बोलिए.
सरला भैया आपने लास्ट में आप यद विकारी यतश्च यत, और तो हमारे बुक में तो हलंत है
हमारा बुक में भी
त
हलंत
के
है.
नीचे,
मेरे बुक में
तो
भी
फिर
हलंत है. The
तो
thing is,
वाई
I think you have forgotten the rule. The rule is if the penultimate letter or the ending letter ends with halanta, we, the Krishna Yajurvedya, never finish it like yat
Yat.
yat. Chanda ka patan hota hai.
थैंक यू.
For that, we don't pronounce the full ta, but technically we avoid full ta, and technically we avoid half ta also, for the sake of the rhythm. Okay.
थैंक यू.
Yes. Then sachayo yat prabhavascha. Sachayo yat prabhavascha. Tat samasena me sruno. Tat samasena me sruno. Ushamma, usha ghoshamma. It is not srunu. Maharashtrian people have that problem and Gujarati people. It's Sruno, not Sruno. Okay? You know, you should know that in whole India, Maharashtrian and Gujarati people are famous for the most correct Sanskrit pronunciation. But you know, they are like elephants, so big thing, but the small eyes. So they pronounce Rikara as Ru, Guru Krupa. They say Krishna. Clear? So it's not, Bengali people are also not correct. Krishna, it's not there. It's Krishna. So here also, Sruno, Sruno, not Srinu, not Srunu. It's in between. Sruno. Clear? Tat kshetranyaccha yadrikcha yad vikari yatascha yat sacha yo yat prabhavascha tat samasena misruno. The tongue you have to place in between, hanging condition. Sruno, little bit will be inclined to the upper petal. Sruno, not Srunu. Your lips, if it comes like that, it will clearly pronounce U. So it will be little opened. Sruno, Sruno, you just see the lips construction at the time of chanting. Then only you can chant the proper thing. Okay. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha. So it should be not drikcha. Okay. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha. Why? We have to learn properly. Yad vikari yatascha yat sacha yo yat prabhavascha tat samasena misruno. Clear? Fourth one. Rishi, not ri, not ru. Rishivir bahudha gitam. Rishivir bahudha gitam. Chando bhir vividhaif prithak. Sarlama, in my book also halanta is there, prithak. Chand Rishivir bahudha gitam. Chando bhir vividhaif prithak. Visarga is there, after that pa is there. So Visarga will be upadmaniya. So pa. Chando bhir vividhaif prithak. If you learn minutely, see how detailing is there in one verse. Brahma Sutra Padaishchaiva. Brahma Sutra Padaishchaiva. Hetu madbhir vinishchitaihi. Hetu madbhir vinishchitaihi. We have to be particular in each and every bit of our spiritual practice. It's not that, okay, chanting maybe, we know the meaning, it can't be. There will not be, you know, you will get a lot of acharyas also who have studied a lot of books, maybe. So they can't chant Bhagavad Gita. they only, their student chant and they explain. So explanation is good because they are copying from the book. But that our Vedanta Sravanam is not mere uttering some words. The teacher radiates something else. And the students accept that vibration. When we will start studying Bhagavad Gita, we will understand that what is the good impact of this correct chanting. I hope the chanting we have learned, we sometimes do at our puja time. It's my belief that you people do sometimes, because घर में तो पूजा वगैरह होता ही है. So Ganapati Atharva Shirsham we have learned. We have learned so many chanting. So we should, if we don't practice, then again we will forget. So God will forgive us. But okay. Together. Rishibhir bahudha gitam छन्दोभिर् विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव Brahma, it's not Brahma. And Jetli ji, it's not Brahm also. Brahm means delusion. It's Brahma. And all Hindi spoken person I'm talking about. Mainly the Marwari community. It's Brahma. Clear? Brahma Sutra Padaishchaiva Hetu Madbhir Vinishchitaihi. Clear? Otherwise, Brahma Sutra becomes Brahma Sutra. Brahm. Okay. Another thing I just want to tell you that our second sloka is the repetition of 4th chapter 35 slokas, 35th sloka. Okay. No need to see right now. Just make a note in your book that it is the repetition of 4th chapter 35th sloka. And you should note it. This is the Mahavakya.
Swamiji, which shloka? Which shloka? Third.
Second sloka.
Second shloka. This is a repetition of the
sloka of 4th chapter 35th sloka. What is very important, and Mahavakya is there. Yajñatva na punaramoham evam yasyasi pandava yena bhutanya sheshena drakshyasyatmanyatho mai. The same concept, and why it is famous? Because it is Mahavakya. And before that, another famous sloka is there. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnanam jnaninastatvadarshinaha. Okay. Okay, 5th sloka right now. We will chant. Mahabhutanyahangkaraha. In your book, ahankaro is there. Please cut the O and put visarga instead of that. Mahabhutanyahangkaraha बुद्धिरव्यक्तम एव च, बुद्धिरव्यक्तम एव च, इंद्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पंचचेन्द्रियगोचर. So here Bhagwan is talking about 16th. हम लोग जानते हैं कि कहीं पर 17 tattva is there, somewhere 19 tattva is there, somewhere 21 tattva is there. In Bhagavatam 24 tattva, 24 tattva. Here Bhagavan is telling about 16 thing. What? Indriyani dasa means 10 indriya. Ekaincha. Ek means here man, mind. So 10 plus 1, 11. Panchacha indriya gocharaha means the vishaya of indriya. So 5. So 10 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 16. And after that, Bhagavan will start very important thing. The 20 qualities of a sadhaka. Afterwards, we will chant. So I don't know what you will like. That you will like to chant till 10th sloka, or we will keep it over here and practice. Whatever you will like, I will do. I don't.
स्वामी जी एक बार फिर से बताइए ना, दशई के 10 इंद्रियां और एक और पंच के बाद क्या बोले आप?
पंच नहीं, पंच पहले बोलिए, उसके बाद मैं बोलूंगा.
पंच पंच
इंद्रियानी दशा. Dasa means 10 indriya.
हाँ वो ठीक है.
Ek means here mind.
हाँ ठीक है.
And pancha indriya gocharaha. Pancha chendriya cha indriya. Indriya gochar क्या है? इंद्रिय का गोचर. गोचर means grasp. विषय विषय. इंद्रिय का विषय क्या है? रूप रस शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध. ठीक है. So we are having two options. First option, we can proceed further another 5 slokas, and second option, we can practice. So how many of you want another 5 chapter to chant? Sarala Ruya, Bimla Chanda. Whoever you wants practice for 10 slokas. Oh my God. Okay, we will practice. We will practice. Okay. किंतु किसको जल्दी जाना है? रक्षा अम्मा, जयश्री अम्मा.
No, only on Friday, स्वामी जी.
ओ, जयश्री अम्मा को आपको जाना है. ठीक है. So you will do first. First we will chant the 5th sloka. We did not complete yet. First, clearly we will learn. Mahabhutanyahangkaraha. Mahabhutanyahangkaraha. Buddhiravyaktameva cha. Buddhiravyaktameva cha. Indriyani dashaikancha. Indriyani dashaikancha. Or kamcha. Anything you can say. Indriyani dasaikancha. Panchachendriya gocharaha. Clear? Together. Mahabhutanyahankaraha. Buddhiravyaktameva cha. Indriyani dashaikam cha pancachendriya gocharaha. Clear? We will practice. Jai Sri Amma. Unmute yourself.
Start from starting, Swamiji.
Anything. Whatever you feel discomfort,
Yeah.
that you chant.
I'll do the fourth shloka. Little
Okay.
different.
Okay.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम्
Bahudha.
हाँ,
Amma.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम् छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव
No.
ए-
No. Brahma Sutra, because it is
yeah.
Dirgha.
Oh, yeah.
Then Padaischaiva, it is Dirgha there. All of them are Dirgha.
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनश्चितैः
He Tomadvir Vinishchitaihi.
हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
Yes. Now, I don't know why don't you ask all such questions. Like when we chanted Brahma Sutra Su, not we have said Brahm, or why we have little prolonged. There is the first time I am teaching you, because you never asked me. If there is any conjunct consonant, and if before that any letter is there, it takes generally for one vowel has one matra, like a, and a is double of the single vowel. a मतलब अ प्रोनाउंस करने के लिए हम लोग जितना टाइम देंगे, लॉन्ग वावेल के लिए we will pay just double. This is the theory. If there is conjunct consonant, we will pay 1.5, not the one, not the double. Clear? In that theory, we do Brahma Sutra, because everybody can say that Swamiji, Brahma is all short vowel, but you did not tell Jayasri Amma anything else. Why? Because unknowingly she corrected. So I just told this is the theory. Sandhya Amma clear nahi
Because
hua?
you said you had taught us Brahma only that way, but we all
কি রে ইন্টারনেট বন্ধ হয়ে গেল? My internet was unstable,
yeah.
so I could not hear anything else. Jayasri Amma, what you told.
Oh. No, usually we say Brahma only. Now we say half her, little less her and more
Brahma.
of
Brahma. No, the time is bra and ha.
Hmm.
We are giving little more time,
Yeah.
fraction of second more. This is the theory. Okay, Sandhya Pasari Amma, I think you are little bit confused or clear? Clear, thank you. Now, Bina Kanoi Amma, second term. Jayasri Amma, if you are in hurry, you may leave.
I'm doing the first one, Swamiji.
Okay.
Idam shariram
No,
kaunteya.
I know the main problem. That is why I chanted 5 times these things. See, this is the, you have to be in line with your teacher. You will find one line sometimes I have chanted 5 times, 6 times, because I know where people make mistakes. It is not idam.
Dam.
Idam. If you see, if you listen to the recording, you can understand.
Hmm.
Idam shariram
Shariram.
kaunteya.
Idam shariram kaunteya. Kshetramityabhidiyate. Etadyo veti tem prahuhu. Kshetragya iti tadvidaha.
Kshetrajna iti tadvidaha.
Kshetragya iti tadvidita.
No, Amma. You pay attention. Chant with me.
Okay.
Idam shariram
Idam shariram
kaunteya.
kaunteya.
Kshetra
Kshetra
mitya
mitya
bhidhiyate.
vidiyate.
Kshetra mitya bhidhiyate.
Kshetra mitya vidiyate.
Etadyo vetti tat prahuhu.
Etadyo vetti tam prahuhu.
Kshetrajna iti tadvidaha.
Kshetragya iti tadvidaha.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Understood where you did the mistakes and where I corrected you? Thank you. That
Thank you.
understanding is required. Sarla Ruiya Amma. Unmute yourself, Amma, first.
Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi. Sorry. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi. Sarva kshetreshu bharata. Kshetrajnayor jnanam. Yataj jnanam matam mama.
100% correct.
Thank you.
Jetli ji.
Number 4.
Yes.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
आप अपने में खुद में महसूस कर सकते हैं कि what the changes have come into you? Thank you.
Yeah.
Vijay Amma. Unmute yourself first. And Jetli ji, please mute yourself.
3 নম্বরটা বলি
যেটা খুশি, যেটাতে তুমি আনকমফোর্টেবল সেটা বলো।
তৎক্ষেত্রং ইয়াচ্চ ইয়াদৃক্ यद्विकारि यतश्च यत् स च यो यत् प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु.
Great. 100% correct. Usha Amma.
Second,
Yes.
kshetrajno chapi mau vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata kshetra kshetrajnayor jnanam yajnanam matam mama.
Ma, fourth quarter, you pay attention and read. You know it. You please pay attention and read correctly.
Kshetra,
No, fourth quarter.
acha, yad jnanam matam
No,
mama.
fourth quarter here. Yat taj jnanam. You please see.
Oh, yat.
Yes, you did not pay your attention over there. You know.
यच्च
नो यत् तज ज्ञानम
यत् तज् ज्ञानं मतं मम
yes please
यत्
please
तज्
amma hari om you please do 5 times you please chant it 5 times
यत् तत् ज्ञानं मतं मम
yes
तत् ज्ञानं यत् यत् ज्ञानं मतं मम यत् तज् ज्ञानं मतं मम
ঠিক আছে শিখে নিলে
हाँ हाँ ठीक
আদারওয়াইজ পুরোটা খুব ভালো হয়েছে
ठीक
সরলা মোরে আম্মা হা কপাল ভিডিও অফ করে ফেলছে আনমিউট করতে হবে ওই যে মাইক্রোফোনের সাইন আছে লাল দেখাচ্ছে ওইখানে হাত দিতে হবে প্রথমে স্ক্রিনের ওপরে হাত দাও তাতে সবগুলো চলে আসবে তারপরে ওখানে এমনি হাত দিতে হবে ঠিক আছে তুমি ততক্ষণ আনমিউট করে রাখো উষা ডালমিয়াজি বলো আনমিউট করো আর সরলা আম্মা তুমি ওটা দেখো প্রথমে এমনি স্ক্রিনের ওপর হাত দাও দিলে দেখবে মাইক্রোফোন আর ভিডিও ক্যামেরার সাইন আছে মাইক্রোফোন এই তো হয়েছে 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 বলো 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 কোনটা বলবে
I will send Swamiji.
ইয়েস আরে বাপরে
Third one, Swamiji.
ইয়েস
Tat kshetram yaccha yadrikcha tadvikari yatascha yata sacha yo yat prabhavascha tat samasena me trinu.
वंडरफुल चैंटिंग तो पक्का हो गया अम्मा अभी ये ट्यून में बोलना पड़ेगा बीच बीच में कोशिश करना ठीक है कोशिश कीजिए उषा डालमिया
प्रथम श्री भगवान उवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः
क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः
क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः
3 times
क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः
good Bimla
Thank you.
amma
First one.
okay
इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्याभिधीयते एद्यो वेति न प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः
good only third quarter has some problem you chant with me etad yo vetti tam prahuhu
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः
prahuhu
प्राहुः
3 times we will chant not together I will chant you will chant afterwards 3 times first listen then chant etad yo vetti tam prahuhu
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः एतद्यो वेत्ति
no 3 times I will chant for you and 3 times you will chant after me etad yo vetti tam prahuhu
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः
etad yo vetti tam prahuhu
एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः
first class 100%
wrong wrong হয়েছে
না না খুব ভালো হয়েছে খুব সত্যি সত্যি
আচ্ছা
খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে
থ্যাংক ইউ
সন্ধ্যা আম্মা আর নিকিতা কিন্তু আমার এখান থেকে লাইনে প্রথম নিকিতাকে দেখাচ্ছে
Okay. अच्छा. Second one, Swami ji.
Yes.
Kshetrajna chapi mang
Oh. Anushwara is there.
Kshetrajnan chapi mang vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata क्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानम् ये तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
Fourth quarter, read properly.
यत् तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
10 times.
यत् तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम. यत् तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम. यत् तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम. यत् तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम. यत् तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
Good. And first quarter, 5 times.
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि. क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि. क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि. क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि. क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि.
Wonderful. Learned?
Yes, Swamiji.
Thank you. Sandhya Amma.
Third one, Swamiji.
Okay.
tat kshetre yacca yadrikcha yad vikari yatascha yat sachayo yat prabhavascha tat samasena me shrinu.
Wonderful. 100% correct.
Thank you, Swami.
Suchitra Amma.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
100% correct. Sumitra Amma.
Fifth one.
Okay.
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकं च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः.
Yes. Only it's 99.9999% correct. Buddhi is short E. So it will be Buddhi. Listen. Listen first. Buddhiravyaktameva cha. Buddhiravyaktameva cha. Please chant 5 times.
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च.
No.
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च.
First chant with me. Buddhiravyakta. What you are chanting? You are chanting Buddhiravyakta. It means Ikar is becoming Ikar. So it should be Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyakta. Chant.
Buddhiravyakta.
Avyaktam eva cha. No, in tune you chant.
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च. बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च.
No. You chant after me. I will also chant 5 times with you. Okay? Buddhiravyaktameva cha.
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च.
After buddhi you are giving pause. That pause will not be.
अच्छा.
Listen carefully. Buddhiravyakta buddhiravyaktameva cha.
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च.
No. You chant buddhir. Chant
Buddhir.
buddhir.
Buddhir. Buddhir.
Yes.
Buddhir.
Buddhiravyaktam evacha.
Buddhiravyaktameva cha.
No.
Buddhiravyak.
Yes.
Buddhiravyaktamiva cha.
It was correct. Second one was correct.
Buddhiravyaktamiva cha.
Actually, you know, if you
Huh.
chant buddhi, it means
Hmm.
two buddhi. That is the problem. Why I am giving, I have no problem if you chant buddhi or buddhi. But in Sanskrit, it is dual number. Ikaranta. Okay. So buddhi means two buddhi. The meaning is getting absolutely changed. That is why buddhiravyakta, like you are, just touching and coming. You have to do that. Buddhiravyakta, buddhiravyakta, buddhiravyakta. Chant.
Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyakta.
You are buddhi, you are doing. I don't want that. I need only small buddhi.
Buddhi.
Buddhir.
Buddhiravyak. Buddhir.
हाँ, buddhiravyakta.
Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyakta. Buddhiravyaktameva cha.
Clear.
Buddhiravyaktameva cha. No,
You will chant. You will listen. This video will be uploaded. You please listen in your portion that what I mean to say. Okay. Rakshamma.
Hari Om Swami. Swamiji, am I the last one?
Who?
Me.
No. You after you, Aparnamma is there, Rekhamma is there, Amshuamma is there.
I thought if I'm the last one, then can I do 2 shlokas?
Okay, now you do one. Afterwards, you will do one.
Okay. So, Swamiji, I'll do 5th one only.
Okay, now you do 5th one.
Okay. Mahabhutanyahankarah buddhirvyaktamev cha indriyani.
Oh, I taught so many times to Sumitra Amma. Buddhiravyaktameva cha.
Buddhiravyaktameva cha.
Good. आपका सही हुआ. कीजिए.
महाभूतान्यहंकारः.
वही महाभूतान्यहंकार. हाँ, अच्छा.
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इंद्रियाणि दशैकं च पंचचेन्द्रियगोचराः.
एकदम फेयरली चैंट कीजिए पूरा श्लोक.
महाभूतान्यहंकारः बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इंद्रियाणि दशैकं च पंचेन्द्रियगोचराः.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, Swami.
Correct. Aparnamma. Best.
Second one.
क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रज्ञयो ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
In the second quarter, Bharata is not. Huh?
Bharata.
Clear?
सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत.
Bharata.
Bharata.
Yes. Correct. Rekha. Kedia. Aparnama, mute yourself. Okay, I will mute. I will mute. Don't worry. Don't worry.
इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद् यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञः इति तत्विदः
100% correct. Anshu Amma.
Swamiji, number 5. Hariom.
Are you okay, Amma? You look little bit sick.
Yes, I had fever. Now I'm okay today. Thank you, Swamiji.
What are you taking?
I took antibiotic, azithrol.
Except prayer, do you need any help from me?
Prayers only, Swamiji.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Swamiji.
Okay.
Mahabhutanyahangkarah buddhiravyaktamev cha indriyani dashaikyaicha pancachendriya gocharaha.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Please be healthy soon.
Yes,
You
Swamiji.
have to dance on 31st night.
No, I'll come for the Vishnu Sahasranam, Swamiji, not for the
Are
dance.
in Zoom you can dance na Baba.
Yes, in Zoom I can come, right?
Yes. Yes. As Rakshama, which another slok you want to chant?
Swamiji, fourth one.
Okay, chant.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् पृथक् है ना ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदश्चैव हेतुं मद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
No. Brahma Sutra Padaischaiva. Chant.
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव.
Yes. Then?
हेतुं मद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः.
Good.
Thank you, Swami. Thank you, Swami.
And that Prithak or Prithaka, see, this is Krishna Yajurvedya style. Okay. So if you chant Prithak, there is no harm. That is also correct. But every Veda has their Guru Parampara. So lineage of chanting style also. Clear? And Krishna Yajurvedya style is the most famous style around the world. And most Shruti Madhur, most melodious.
तो पृथका बोले.
हाँ, बोलने से अच्छा लगेगा.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्. अभी ठीक.
Yes, but don't prolong it. Then the concept will be changed.
स्वामी जी वो धीरे धीरे आएगा क्योंकि जब हम डेलिबरेटली जोर डालते हैं ना तो वो प्रोलॉन्ग हो जाता है. अभी क्योंकि हमें आदत नहीं है इसलिए आई थिंक.
मैं तो जल्दबाजी नहीं किया, इसलिए तो आधा घंटा के क्लास 1.5 घंटा हो जाता है.
जी स्वामी जी.
आप लोगों का काम रहता है, मेरा कुछ नहीं रहता.
जी स्वामी.
Okay. Hari Om to everyone else. And again I am telling, I will expect you on 31st night. It's a matter of 1 hour. Just 1 and 1.
10:30 से 12 है ना स्वामी जी.
हाँ, 10:30 से 12, 10:30 को थोड़ा प्रोलॉन्ग करने का कोशिश करूंगा क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में इतना देर तक बैठना मुश्किल रहता है. Physical presence also I need. I know it's difficult for you people. But those who come to the mission walking, we will give them escort for going back to home. Okay, without gun, because gun wala escort to nahi milega. Okay. हरि ओम।
स्वामी जी मैं तो वर्चुअली करूंगी, ऑनलाइन।
अच्छा ठीक है, लेकिन 2 तारीख तो आने का कोशिश कीजिए, जस्ट
देखूंगी
ट्राई।
स्वामी जी, मैं कोशिश करूंगी,
पूजा होगा, विष्णु
कोशिश
सहस्त्रनाम
करूंगी।
होगा।
स्वामी जी ऊपर होगा?
नीचे,
ठीक, कोशिश करूंगी स्वामी।
नीचे वाला हॉल ठीक करवा लिया।
करवा लिए, ठीक। 2 साल लगा।
Don't talk anything else about it. Just
ठीक, ठीक है स्वामी।
Hari Om. Because
हरि ओम।
it's administrational problem. You know.
ठीक, हरिओम स्वामी।
Hari Om.
हरिओम स्वामी जी,
Hari
थैंक
Om.
यू।
हरिओम स्वामी जी।
Hari Om. Hari Om.
हरि ओम हरि ओम।
Hari Om. Hari Om.